Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by updating and preparing devices. Make sure your Roku TV is on the latest OS so Bluetooth features work properly. Check Settings, System Update. Next, power your Bluetooth headphones or speaker and put them into pairing mode. You need a visible device to connect. Finally, open the Roku mobile app or confirm your remote supports private listening so you can route audio to Bluetooth. Once done, you'll be ready to initiate pairing and control audio routing without interruptions. Now pair the audio device to your Roku. Open the Roku mobile app, go to Devices, tap your Roku TV, and choose Private Listening. This invokes Bluetooth pairing flow. If you don't see private listening, use Settings Remotes and Devices Headphones to add an accessory and follow prompts. Select your headphone or speaker name from the Discovered list and confirm any pairing code that appears. Once paired, Roku routes audio to that device. Make sure volume is adjustable in-app or via the headset controls, so sound. Finish by verifying audio plays through your Bluetooth device. Use Private Listening or Settings Headphones to confirm output. If audio fails, power cycle both Roku and Bluetooth device, then forget the device in Roku's accessory list and repair. This resolves most handshake errors. Also make sure you're within reasonable range, about 30 to 50 feet line of sight, and reduce interference from Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth devices. If latency or dropouts persist, try switching Bluetooth profiles or using the Roku mobile app for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.